He stopped talking for 6 months, and everyone thought he'd lost his mind. He didn't argue. He didn't explain. One morning he just stopped talking. No messages. No calls. No updates. 6 months of silence, and everyone thought he'd lost his mind. But what he discovered in that silence changed the way he saw life forever. His name was Jason, 30 years old, marketing executive, always talking, always convincing. He lived on caffeine, meetings, and validation. His days were full, his heart was empty. One night, during a dinner with friends, someone asked, "What do you actually want from life?" He froze. He had no answer, just noise. That night something broke. He wrote on a sticky note, "For the next 6 months, I'll speak only when necessary." At first everyone laughed. Then they got offended. Texts went unanswered. Calls ignored. At work, he communicated through notes and emails. His boss hated it. His girlfriend left. But Jason stayed silent, because for the first time, he wanted to hear his own mind. Weeks passed. Without words, he began noticing things. The way people talk just to fill space. How most arguments aren't about truth, they're about ego. He realized silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. In those months, he read more than he had in years. He journaled every night. He took long walks. He listened, to people, to the wind, to his own thoughts. To others, he looked isolated. But inside, he was rebuilding. Without noise, he began recognizing patterns. How often he lied to please or spoke to be seen. He stopped rushing. He started thinking. And for the first time in years, he felt present. When people mocked him, he smiled. Because silence had made him strong enough not to explain himself. After 6 months, he returned to his office. His colleagues stared as he stood at the front during a meeting. He hadn't spoken in half a year. He said only one thing. Most of what we say means nothing until we mean it. The room went silent. That silence was respect. From that day, people listened when he spoke, because he no longer spoke to impress. He spoke to connect. Silence taught him discipline. It taught him peace. It taught him that strength isn't about saying more. It's about needing to say less. He didn't lose his mind. He found it. Sometimes the loudest transformation happens in quiet rooms, inside people who stop explaining and start listening.